Jaroslav, you're gonna be on Facebook. Hey, don't slug, just like, and make sure you put enough oil, huh?
Okay, it's good. Don't worry about it. Let her go.
Yeah, thank you. That was dirty, huh?
Dirty, yeah, but this oil is different oil.
Koliko ulja ide unutra?
Ne znam, može 3 litra.
No, mora više. A hoćeš moći provjeriti?
No, jasno da može, ali ja kažem od 3 litra...
Bio sam ljuč što sam kupio ulje, rekao, znaš, ono, zajebavat će me neko reći da sam čip, ali sad mi je drago što sam uzeo.
Ja, uzeo si, to je dobro.
Imaš Copper Seal?
Ne treba Copper Seal, slušaj što taj Seal još je